Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Jason. Welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be talking about the Anker SOLIX F2000. This is a 2048 watt power bank. It has many different applications. You could use this in your home, for your office, whatever. But today we're just really going to be focusing on outdoor use and applications while you're out camping. Let's go ahead and start off by talking about the design. Now this is designed to be a sort of luggage style with this pop out easy tow handle here, and all you have to do is press that button, pull it out, and then you are able to pull it behind you like you would, let's say, a piece of luggage. So along with that are these wheels here. Now these are very rugged, very ready for the outdoors. I've been able to drag this thing around, and I've really had no issues with it. So I've seen some products that do have wheels on there, and they're just sort of a flat round wheel like you get on a shopping cart or something like that. Not really made for the outdoors, whereas this one is very in its element in the outdoors as well as on flat surface. It's not so bulky that it that it doesn't roll very well on flat surfaces, but it's not so flat that it doesn't work in the outdoors. So the product dimensions of this are 20.7 by 15.5 and 9.8 inches. The product weighs 67.2 pounds, and with the easy tow system, it actually doesn't really feel like a lot of weight. It is easy to pick up, and as long as you can pick up somewhere around 60 something pounds, you'll be totally fine with this. On this unit we have a total of 12 ports. This includes 4 AC ports, 1 TT30 RV port, 3 USB-C charging ports, 2 USB-A charging ports, and 2 car outlet 12-volt power ports. We have a nice large screen display here. You can read pretty much anything you need to check on your unit. It's durable and portable, and it's got an aluminum frame. I'm sure you guys have seen recently that we acquired a Scamp, and basically the TT30 is going to power pretty much everything in there. Most things in your unit you'll be able to power with this. This is 2000 watts, and as long as you don't use a ton of watts in there and you keep this thing plugged into solar, then you should be perfectly fine off the grid. Now this is a LifePO4 battery, which is going to be lasting a lot longer. This is lithium, so you'll get about 3,500 charges from 100 to 0. Now most of the units will be going that direction, so I would put this kind of on a high tier, compare it to a lot of the high-end brands when it comes to solar generators. Speaking of solar, if you do have solar panels, this is really the preferred way of charging this up. What I like to do before I go on a trip is I like to put this in the backyard and just charge it off of solar, and that way it's ready to go before I leave. You can also plug this into the wall, and this will be charged super quick. It does use a rapid charging technology that will basically bring it from 0 to 80% in about 1 hour. Okay, so you might be wondering, how does this actually work in real life scenarios? It's great on paper, but if it doesn't work outside, then what's the point? So I took this on a camping trip, and I was able to charge pretty much everything in my arsenal. So a big thing for me is fridges, and this was able to run it no problem. These certainly aren't a huge draw for a power bank like this, but I wanted to test it out anyway. So another thing is my e-bike. You might be able to see it back here in the back, but I have a fully charged e-bike back there. Now I really like to bring that along with me camping, because then I can just ride around, go anywhere I want during the day, because I have made my camping setup super easy, so it's nice to have a relaxing day and go out for a bike ride, and I can easily charge this thing up. It takes almost none of the percentage off of here, so it's really, really easy. This little electric kettle here takes up a lot of wattage. This is a home use one. But with a product like this, you can basically take something that's made for home use, and you can end up using it while you're out camping. All you're gonna have to do is make sure that this is turned on, and then I can go ahead and run it. So guys, there will be a little bit of a discount going on here soon. There will be the standard page discount. So that is a 14% off discount for all people on Amazon for the Anker SOLIX product. So with my discount code, you guys will be able to get an additional 20% off on Amazon for the Anker SOLIX products. All right guys, now that we've gotten the discounts and all that out of the way, let's go ahead and get back to the video. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the front of this unit. Up here you have a light that has 3 different modes. It is hard to see here in this sunlight, but this is very bright. Here you will see the display. It is at 100%, but this is a very nice display and it is super easy to read through my eyes, maybe not so much through the video. So this area here is your AC outlet and you can turn it on like that. It will show you how much time is remaining. Nothing is plugged in, so it is showing 99 hours or 3.7 days. You also have a car socket here. Now this is great for overland fridges, for diesel heaters, for heated blankets, stuff like that. It is nice that there are 2 of these because a lot of times you really only get one. Turn that on here and turn it off here as well. Now when it comes to the DC here, you have 3 USB-C outlets here. This is great if you have an iMac or, you know, a lot of little things like my microphone here, stuff like that will use this type of outlet. Now this USB-A down here is probably what most of you think of as USBs when you're thinking about that. So those will be here as well. So in the back here, you're gonna have your solar input as well as your 120 volt input. That is going to be kind of like a house outlet or something like that, and this will be a reset here. Can close it like that. Now this down here will be your EV charger, so if you really needed to, you were on the road, you could just plug this into, let's say, a Tesla charger, or maybe not a Tesla charger, I can't remember what they use, but you can plug this into a EV charger there. So there also is an app here that is really great if you want to you know, plug your unit into your car, plug it into your tent or your camper, and you don't want to have to go outside or go back into your car to do any adjustments. You can just go ahead and make those adjustments in your phone. That is kind of one of the benefits to going with a solar power bank over a gas generator, as they are a lot more technologically advanced, and you can do stuff like, you know, remote controlling it, and it's super easy to do. So guys, that being said, I want to thank you guys for checking out this video. This is a really great product. I'm very happy to have this. It is really nice to keep a larger power bank like this around. I really like having it. And I've really liked the Anker products so far. Every single power bank that I have used from them has been really great.